Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video we're going to assemble the mainframe and prep it for installation. I'm now ready to lay my slabs on the ground. This is slab number 1, this is slab number 2. Outside looking in, here is my active right. Here's the Z-bar header. This is the exterior, here's the interior, and our slabs are going to be pressed up against this bulb weather stripping. I'm going to start with attaching the right jamb to the header first. I'm going to wipe down both ends, apply sealant to both ends of the frames, and use the provided assembly screws to attach the right jamb to the header. For best practices, hand tighten your assembly screws to prevent damage to the frame. Then apply sealant to the head of each fastener and follow the same process on the other side. Here's our threshold that has a little notch in it. That's going to face our interior side. I'm now ready to attach the right jamb to the threshold. I'll clean off both ends and apply sealant in between the two frame members. I'll use the provided assembly screws and attach the right jamb to the threshold. For best practices, hand tighten your assembly screws and then apply sealant to the heads of each screw. Now follow the same process when attaching the left jamb to the threshold. To recap, I've now assembled the mainframe, attached the doors, and prepped it for installation. In the next video, we're going to assemble our mainframe and prep it for installation.